You are ready to enter in the off-road world? Great, fantastic. I'm most happy. Welcome. But now I know you have a big challenge. You have to choose your first motorbike. Don't worry, Caribou is here to help you. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and as always to hit the like button. We are talking about your first motorcycle, so probably you are a beginner. And my first suggestion is to buy an easy bike, that it means so a small bike like 250cc 4-stroke, also 125 2-stroke. That can be helpful because probably you will hit the ground many times. Absolutely, you have to think about for a used bike. So that gives you the chance to ride in easy way and don't be worried of making your own experience. So, as I say, as a first motorcycle, you have to think about a small bike, because if as a first bike you buy, for example, a 450 4-stroke, they are so powerful motorcycles that can bring you a lot of trouble, and you will not learn so fast as you can do with a small one. So, if you can, probably, not probably, absolutely it's better a modern motorcycle, because you will find an easy motorcycle, because today with the modern technology, the modern electronics, the modern suspension, the modern tires and everything, your riding it will be more comfortable, because you can ride, you have a lot of support by the traction control and a lot of things that make your learning faster and easy. As a last option, there is a new bike. Yeah, for sure. That can be fancy and nice. You will have the maximum performance, the newest technology, but is that worthy? Let me know in the comment what you think. And also for today we are done. See you in the next video.